Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is June 27th, 2019, and this is one of my Aswad eggplants here. Now this is an heirloom eggplant. I do have one growing in the greenhouse, and I also have one growing out in a container outside. So you can see the blooms here on this. I've been hand pollinating these with a paintbrush. And you can see there's some eggplants coming right here and down in through here. But what I really wanted to show you was this one down here. You can see about how big around it is. You say it's about softball?
Yeah, at least.
At least softball size. Now, it's nice and shiny. It has the nice coloring to it. It's not dull. So, these can actually get up to 3 pounds and over for the Aswad eggplants. But this one here, I'm actually going to be harvesting it tonight to try it fried. This is the first time I've ever tried growing the Aswad eggplant. So, I'm going to use my scissors here. I'm going to get a hold of this and I'm going to cut it off right about here. Should have got the pruners. It's on there pretty good. There we go. I got it off here. Nice, beautiful color to it. It's not dull. It still has this nice shine to it. If your eggplants are dull, then it means that if they're dull in color, they went past their prime. But this one here is still nice and shiny, beautiful color to it. It's not mushy. So one thing I've been doing with these is I've been keeping them well watered. It does get pretty warm in the greenhouse in here. I had to turn the fan off so that you could hear me do the video. But keeping them well watered and well fed. This one's being fed with the Eco Scraps 555 all-purpose plant food. And then it also gets Epsom salt about twice a week. And then I also give it some Sea Magic every other week. So you can see here how big the plant is. It's in a pretty big container. And that's my paintbrush I use for pollinating the blossoms. They're about how big this is. So as these continue to grow, I'll come back with more videos and I'll show them to you. I do have other eggplants growing and I'll be doing videos on those as well. So we're going to get to taste this one tonight. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!